Hello students, today we shall learn more about words. Some words are called homophones. Some words are called homonyms. What are homophone words? What are homonyms words? Homo means same, similar. Phone means sound. Homophone, similar sound. Tele, far away. Phone, sound. Telephone. Micro, small. Phone, sound. Microphone. Homophones are the words with a very similar sound or pronunciation. They are spoken in a very similar way. But they differ in spelling as well as meanings. They are same in sound or pronunciation, but they have different spellings and different meanings. For example, by means with. By the side. He came by bus. By bus, by train. Buy means to purchase. You can buy notebooks from the market, fruits from the fruit market. To buy means to purchase. Buy. Same sound, similar sound, but they have different meanings. Similarly, allowed. A little difference may be there. He spoke aloud, means in a loud voice. The student was allowed to come in the classroom. Allowed means permitted, given the permission. Like that, check means to verify. Check your answers. CHEQE, check. Check is the bank slip for payment of money. It has spelling CHEQE. Similarly, we have many other words like weak. WEAK, weak means not strong. WWK, weak means period of 7 days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. There is third word, WICK. That wick is the cotton piece in a lamp, kerosene lamp, that is, or spirit lamp. It is called wick stove. It has spelling WICK. Hole, small pore. There was a hole in bucket or pot. Whole means entire. When the teacher came, the whole class stood up. MEAT, meat means flesh of animals. Meat, non-veg thing. Meet, MWT, meet means to meet the person. RIGT, right, correct. WRIT, right means to write. Now, right has also another meaning that we shall learn in homonyms. Root. It is the part of the plant that grows underground. Root of the plants. Carrot is a root vegetable. Route, R-O-U-T, route. What is the route to railway station? Route is the path. Deer, D-E-E-R, deer is a kind of stag. And D-E-A-R, deer is lovable. Children are always dear to the parents. There is one good saying in English, deer is dear but dear. Deer is dear but dear. Deer, D-E-E-R, deer. Deer is deer. Rabbit-like animal is very lovely. Pet animal. We love to play with it. But it is dear, means it is costly, means not cheap like dogs. Still and still, S-T-E-L, still means to take without permission, theft, stealing. S-T-E-L, still means a metal, still knife. Stationary, stationary. There is only one difference in spelling. S-T-A-T-A-O-N-A-R-Y, mark it well. Stationary, stationary. This stationary means standing still, motionless, without moving. Stationary. The engine was stationary on the rails. Stationary, S-T-A-T-I-O-N-E-R-Y, stationary means writing articles, notebook, pen, pencil. So these are called homophones. There are many such words. Why do we need to learn homophones? Because they have same sound, same pronunciation, but different sound and different meanings. So we should take care in writing. If we write in a different spelling, the meaning may differ. So take care about learning such words which are grouped as homophones. Moreover, learning homophones will help us to increase our vocabulary, word power. We can easily memorize two words of same sound. As they have same sound, they are spoken in a similar way but have different meanings. Coming to homonyms. Names means names or words. Homo means same. Now these are the words with same spelling, same sound or pronunciation, but only different meanings. Same word with same sound, same spelling, same pronunciation is used for one meaning in one place, for another meaning at another place. For example, ring. Ring is an article that we wear in our hand, in our finger. Ring, earring. Ring. It is a circular, loop-like structure, ornament that we wear in our fingers Ring, the sound of telephone, ringing the bell, sound of bell. So same spelling, ring, but it is used as the meaning of an article or sound of telephone or bell. Bow. Bow and arrow. Bow is this structure, bow. And arrow. It is an article. Bow is a clamp used by girls to clamp their hair. Can, able. I can speak Urdu. Means I am able to speak Urdu. So can shows capacity, capability, ability. I cannot fly. I can run. Can means a material container. Can. Can. Metal container, can, oil can. Same word, same spelling, same pronunciation or sound, but different meanings. Wood. Wood means jungle or forest. Wood is a material of a plant, wood. Wooden chair, wooden table, wooden blackboard. Present. Present means gift. Present means gift. I gave a present to my friend on his birthday. Present means being in a particular place. I was not present in your party yesterday because I was ill. Present. Present also shows time. Watch, W-A-T-C-H, watch means to look carefully. Watchman. Watch means to look carefully. Watch means wristwatch, an article used to keep time in a wrist. Wristwatch. Dear, lovable. Dear, costly. Same spelling, but different meanings. Now, we have a funny statement. Can February march? Marching of soldiers. March has meaning of marching, soldiers. But March is the name of a month also. Can February march? No. But April may. May means it can march perhaps. Thus, dear students, preparing homophones and homonyms will certainly help you to improve your vocabulary and word power. The peculiarity and interest that we get in using this type of words are really enjoyable. Practice them and see that make no mistake while using them. Carefully prepare them and use them cautiously, perfectly, correctly. Thank you.